Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender. And, like we were talking about, we are in the season, you guys. This is the fall. November is here. And obviously, we're going to try to be a little bit ahead of the curve with some really cool cocktails. I am not sure if actually someone make this recipe. The other night, I was thinking a little bit more like what Thanksgiving it is involved in it, and I tried to recreate something like that in a cocktail. And I came up with my version of what is a variation of an old fashioned for Thanksgiving. So that being said, let's make the Thanksgiving old fashioned and see how it's done. Please stay with me. All right. So, what is it when we talk about Thanksgiving? Well, we're thinking about apples, we're thinking about oranges, a little bit of some cherries, a really nice rye whiskey, and when mom and dad they turn on the chimney, we have a little bit of smoke. So I wanted to put these things and combine them all together, and I think I come up with something that the other night I tried, and it was very, very tasty and delicious. So that being said, let's see what we can do, okay? So we're gonna start with adding a little bit of the actual maraschino cherries, Luxardo maraschino cherries, a little bit of a juice. Let's go for a bar spoon. Now, let's go for 1.5 ounces of rye. In this case, I'm using the barrel strength Templeton Rye, so just in case that it was not strong enough. Calvados, which is a French apple liqueur. Actually, I found out that this one brings a lot of flavor and a lot of the apple aroma into the cocktail. So let's go for 1/2 ounce of this bad boy. Let's get some orange bitters. I like mine very orangey, like with like a 4, but you can add like a 2 or 3 dashes of the actual orange bitters. Let's put some ice. Let's start diluting this bad boy. Smells amazing already. So, one of the things that you're gonna have a little bit of a hard time trying to find is gonna be this Applewood bark. And this actual barrel bourbon, white char oak barrel for bourbons. And if you happen to have the chance to put your hands in these two, we're gonna actually smoke our glass. Let's cover it up and just let it get a nice smoke while we finish our cocktail right here. Guess we're ready. Let's get a nice sphere. And this is up to you guys if you want to add a little bit of a touch of club soda on top. Let's get the orange peel, put some oils. Let's try to make a really nice rose. Bit of maraschino cherry in there. Like I said, just a little baby splash of club soda on it. And there you have it, you guys. The perfect way celebrate Thanksgiving and being ahead of the curve. Salud, everybody, and enjoy your Thanksgiving.